can go to 10 to 15 billion market cap easily when things get really weird. It's 2 billion now. Can 5x from here easily. That doesn't mean you should buy it here, by the way. Not quiet in terms of airdrops, to be honest. On Wednesday we have Evo, Wormhole next week Wednesday. Frame is also dropping whenever the team updates, but they're dead silent. I don't know why. They're waiting. Like Bitcoin is at all-time high, and they're fumbling their exposure. You have HDRO, which will you see like WIF can get a lot sillier this cycle than SHIB or Doge were last cycle. It's not even a debate. Where's Doge? I fade SC and Muro at all times because they dump on their followers. And I think cat coins will do well though, because I know there's some Vitalik cat coin which was doing well. You have two cats and both of them have a token, and those were doing well. So that's probably something you want to look into. Instead of buying meme tokens, SC is shilling. You see how strong AVAX is? Can probably go to 56 very, very fast. No New York Open dip. Let's see. Also, right now you probably want to trade BTC pairs, not ETH pairs. So anything that looks bottomed on BTC pair, you probably want to buy. Like this was super nice. How you want to see this whole then send and take out this whole area? Fed and AGX are gonna keep sending until the Nvidia conference. I mentioned this a couple minutes ago. They should do well. I think OP does well, ARB doesn't. ARB has underperformed the past 18 months. Don't see why this changes all of a sudden. OP looks banging though. ARB is just like, I don't know, I wouldn't touch ARB. You get a deep pullback, you probably just bid $4 on ARB. Round number and its support. And logs are usually bullish in the bull market because people short into them and then they get blown out. Or people hedge into them. It also looks super good. Daily was seemingly putting in a triple bear dips and just blew straight past that. That's how you know we're in a bull market. And it'll probably stay that way for quite a while. Yeah, OP can pump into the Denken upgrade. I'm holding full until the ETH ETF at least. Let's look at fold actually. Or it retraced. Surprise, surprise. I mean, chart-wise, it looks good. It just needs to get past this $35, $40 area, and then it full sends. Folds MEV and MEV solution on ETH. And they're the only one doing it, so I think they'll outperform. Good tech, if that still matters. Yeah, I expect a new all-time high. And a lot more even. What about Jasmine? I'll look at Jasmine. What time frame you want me to look at Jasmine? Hmm. Doesn't look too interesting here. Daily momentum is pretty topped. As you can see here. So it probably just chops between here and here. Rune also looks super good. I think Rune will do well with E doing well. The team is shipping, always has actually. And I don't think it'll give any meaningful dips. We get like deeper pullbacks, you probably want to all in. This isn't even the chart with the most history. Have a look. Yeah, you see 7.5 is probably a good area to bid. 7.5, 7.8. And then you TP 11.2. As that's a big resistance. Well, nice. I don't know. I saw some influencers shill it. I don't know what it's about. What do you think happened? It's a whole tier. There's good liquidity on it, which is good. But like this is just like influencers shilling to you. Goes up, it goes up. They're bored of it, they dump on you. It retraces 30% in 24 hours. So you want it to hold here until they start tweeting again or whatever. Algo. I don't have 3 daily shows because I keep forgetting to upgrade my trading view. I should do it probably. If we get to weekly though, far more interesting. Good God. I don't know. There's coins up 10, 15x from the bottom, so I wouldn't really pay too much attention to something like Algo. Going from 2018 even, I believe. So Alice. No, I'm still farming Athena actually. Jesus, this got also murdered. I mean, your entry is here actually, because on a daily it retested. So you want it to hold here with a stop loss below this daily low, which is 5% away. This was also a big VC coin, if I remember correctly. Like this will be our new range. It flipped 191. So now we're targeting higher, right? $3 would be a good area. The white line has a custom EMA. Hello. Fellow looks a bit like AVAX, doesn't it? On the weekly. Like on most charts that have bear market history, you can target these um, June 21 and March 22 bottoms for take profits. because they won't break them in one go, apart from some outliers. Wouldn't long shallow here though. Maybe you wait for 145, so you can see that's the supply zone here. So target that for a re-entry. AVEX flips $48 here. It probably goes to 56 in one candle. Daily open in 2 minutes. Let's see what we got. Probably want to look at BTC, don't we? Expecting a small pullback into like 70.9. That's where I want to get long. It also looks incredible, by the way. I wouldn't fade ETH the coming months. It's probably just gonna go up only, given the weakness it's shown in the bear market where it was just like, it's never gonna do anything. And now that EBTC is flipping, you probably want to focus on ETH and on both ETH and BTC. Could probably short this with a 1% stop if BTC is gonna retrace in the open. I wouldn't though. I'd rather just long the dips on it. Anyone has any short requests? How are you doing, DV? I see you. So many new people in here, actually. Enigma. How are you doing? AGX. Is it a VC shitcoin? Jesus, how does it look like this while BTC is pumping 10% in a day? What's the BTC pair look like? It's good bottom here, but you can target 15. I think a lot of alts are gonna suffer from BTC being so strong here. No, I don't think buying points on whales market is worth it. We'll make 10 to 20% profit at best. This needs to cool off for a while. Look, judging by the weekly, probably $1 is a good area to bid, or a reclaim of 140. Yeah, I've gone over ARB. I think ARB underperforms compared to LP, so you're better off longing LP. And just a gaming token, right? Um, approaching resistance, weekly resistance. So be careful. Can probably long if we take out the liquidity on this low. I find. Needs to hold 80 cents. And you have like some resistance at 89-ish. So that's probably the only levels you should pay attention to now. Unless either of them break. This was a deviation, this as well. So just wait out this daily close and then bid a retest either of those levels. IDEX. So many shitcoins today. Looks quite good. Ah, never mind. I always wonder where you guys find these, man. It's approaching res. And underperforming BTC. Done nothing the past couple months, while BTC went 3x. Once this breaks, it probably goes to 18 cents though. I wouldn't keep my hopes up. You're better off rotating into something that's bigger beta to BTC and that's actually outperforming, because otherwise you will just end up back holding. Odds on inch, just ranging. Um, don't have any real thoughts on it. I think it's just gonna be ranging for a while, and once it breaks, it's gonna double or triple in a week or two. Where's my inch chart? My old one here. I think it's broken the range and now it's just consolidating above it the whole time. Just wait for the trend to break upwards. We've gone over Fed. It probably keeps pumping into the AI conference. You can't really start this stuff. All you can do is draw demand zones and bid them for sting bids, like here. You bid this area if you ever get it. On the H4, you bid around $2. Momentum looks a bit dead though, and it's not doing much. So it could roll over, go lower. That's what I just mentioned, Michi. Bid the demand zones. I don't know shit about Monai. They're probably just being dumbed on by influencers. That's all I know. It's this Trump token, right? Or you mean this one? Or is it the same token? Different token, right? I'm assuming you're talking about this token. Um, bid $5. That's it. Or you bid the bottom of the range. Oops. You can bid like 6.9. Sell the top of the range, buy the bottom. Repeat this until it stops working. And chase the breakout. I think that's our market open dump. So let's look for some longs to see if we can get something in here. Ideally, I want 70.5 here in the next 20 minutes. If it doesn't happen, we just don't do anything. That would also mean we can get like a nice entry on AVAX. 47.3 could be nice. But if you go on higher time frames, you can bid a bit lower, like 46. If it gets slammed, you can get some nice entries. We're gonna be patient here. I think PID goes to $1 soon as well. The Wormhole airdrop has shown that you can get really nice airdrops for just taking PID. And if we get even a glimpse of what Link has done the past cycle onto PID, we do very well. Super undervalued. And it's being used by the most hyped chains in all of crypto currently, which are Monad and Solana, alongside like 50 to 100 different other protocols. So I think it's worth to pick up a bag if you haven't already. I don't have any plan on any meme coins. I just buy them when people think they're not going to do anything. There's still too much focus on them right now, especially with like the WIF money raising thing and whatever. I'll buy them up. People stop talking about them because a lot of them are topping out. Like the WIF H4 is topping out. Bond momentum is also dead. This just keeps ranging. So you just ignore it until you think it's fully exhausted. Pepe also top. The rotation is already elsewhere, as you can see. What other meme coins do we have? Doge, I just ignore because there's no real outside gains to be found there. Meme looks alright, but I don't know. Not something I would long personally. Maker. Let's have a look at Maker. That's a nice fucking weekly. Wow. Yeah, I think it's about it's time that DeFi gets some revival. It probably bit deep 2.3 with size here. That's your Pico bottom entry you would want here. With a stop below this area, if it starts closing below, you just close. Yeah, this looks nice. 2.3. Set an alert. Ah, yeah, I need to remove some. Yeah, I would buy 2,300 on Maker. Nice catch, BB. Ah, yeah, ship. Let's have a look at ship. Probably also top. I haven't looked at it in ages, to be fair. Yeah, this is the type of wick you want to see for a top. Daily can revisit 2268. It is also like some type of support area based on previous PA. I don't think it's gonna give a meaningful pullback, is it? Oxy. Is it on exchanges or what is it? Another meme coin? I do think meme coins are the only way for normies to get out of the rat race, though. Is this the Foxy you mean, or you mean the one on Sol? Because this isn't a meme coin. This isn't a token with actual value. 6.2k liquidity and 500 million market cap does seem a little bit retarded, though. Because there's no liquidity for you to fucking sell into. LCX. Something you also should always look out for when trading on Onchain is like, if your token is a billion market cap with only $1 million in liquidity, there's no way you're going to be able to exit your position. So, for example, this has 10 million in liquidity. That's a lot better. This one didn't have too much liquidity from what I remember, but it's all right. And if you go look at WIF, for example, Has 15 million in liquidity. That's the type of stuff you want to see when trading on chain. Just so you all know. Melon is doing well indeed. I think Eggdog also does well because it's almost Easter. I haven't bought though, so don't follow me on that. LCX, is it on chain or where is it? Ah, here. Coinbase. It looks nice in the way that it's forming around at bottom. But if it loses like 2368, you probably want to be cautious. So 25 could be a nice area to bid. And then ideally momentum also flips, like this EMA. Ideally it flips around the same moment and then you just wait for it to rocket upwards. The weekly also looks quite nice. And it's on resistance here. On lower time frames it could be a nice bottom here. Could be done accumulating soon if you get one more tab at 25 cents. Ladies is also gonna rocket. I think they're gonna get listed on Binance soon. Like, look at this. Absolutely silly. Absolutely fucking silly. 300% in like what? 3 weeks? Not bad. I don't have any other on-chain coins I'm looking at right now. Because I'm having too much fun trading on DEXs, to be fair. The only thing I'm doing on-chain is airdrop farming. Coty is on weekly res here. There's like a lot of stuff, so be careful. Can probably bid 20 cents. Like a lot of stuff, if you get it 10-20% lower from here, you probably have a really nice entry to ride it upwards. How high do I think Melon can go? Let's have a look at the. It's so stupid that it must work, right? Look at this picture. It's too funny. I remember buying this actually. Maybe I still have some. Um, well, I don't have any price targets regarding it, but the way you want to play meme coins is like this. 1 million market cap, 5 million market cap, 10 million market cap, 25 million market cap, 50 million market cap, 100 million market cap, and so on and so forth. You know, like these round numbers, these psychological triggers, those are the type of things you want to look at when trading coins and price discovery and coins that are super volatile. I think FTM is going to go really high very soon, actually. I was long on it earlier this morning and closed for like a 7% move. Because if you look at the FTM weekly, the FTM weekly is actually a thing of beauty. The monthly, sorry. Like, look at this shit. Right. Like, this is nothing but air, right? This is nothing but air. So if you get a retest of 74 cents, you probably sell your kidney and you wait for it to rocket to $2. On the weekly, actually similar, by the way. Like on the weekly, it can go to 1.2 super fast. That's the only resistance you have here, and then it's $2. Once it hit like 1.2 to 1.6, you can probably expect similar PAS to what Sol's doing. If you want to check Sol here. I got too many lines. I'm sorry, guys. I'll get a fresh card. You see, flip it off here, and now it's gonna take out the rest. I expect FTM to do something similar. The last time FTM rallied was when Andre was doing loads of stuff, and he's woken up again. So I think he will just run the same playbook again. So don't overcomplicate it. I think FTM will do well. I mean, short term, right? You want to get in and out quickly. So try to take advantage of that. What about digital silver? I'm not really shorting LTC, am I? I'll do it for you. Just for you. Let's have a look. It's still in the same place it was when we were charting it last week. Um, I mean, the levels are quite obvious here, right? 102 is your big res here because this is a deviation. And 132 will be your next target if it flips. Andre was a dev that used to do a lot of projects on Phantom. Yeah, loads of DeFi looks actually similar to each other. Aave also only has air here. Like this can rocket to 250 in no time. Comb as well looks super bullish. Rune as well. That's why we discussed Rune earlier. Like if you look at comp, um, this $93 res gets flipped. It rallies, and I think it will do very soon. Maybe we get some spots soon. That's all from me though, guys, because my food's ready, so I'm gonna hop off. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. It was a good one, slow one for me. I'm still waking up, to be honest. If you have any other questions regarding Shark, just tag me in the Discord. Um, and have a nice start of your week. Save on the leverage because we can still get like some tiny flash pullback, and that's when you want to bid. So have a nice week. Bye bye.